The day was bright and shiny, as well as full of energy, as we entered the campus of IIIT Delhi. Tan. I was amazed to see the campus of IIIT Delhi.
The Youth Shala event is about.
Mr. Aniket Gupta was our host and host of the event. He is the co-founder of the organization Youth Shala, a notion of change. He welcomed us with warm greetings.
He introduced himself to our in-charge ma'am, Ms. Rajni Khurana, and it was a proud moment when we came across the fact that Mr. Aniket was ex-Love Light of RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School of New Lalpur.
We proceeded with the registration process and it was well organized. We assembled in the seminar hall. Mr. Aniket started with the introduction and welcomed everyone once again. He invited his mentor, Ms. Pragya Vats, to address the audience.
Challenges should remain the same between 20 and 25%. क्या मसला है 20वीं सदी से 21वीं सदी में इसकी वजह से?
The stage was then occupied by Mr. Apar Gupta, founder of Internet Freedom Foundation, Ms. Ankita Gulati, founder of Touch Vision Tech, Mr. Anshul Tiwari, founder of Youth Ki Awaaz.
They shared their experiences of starting their own startup. There was a questionnaire round where we all took initiative and it was an interesting session as well.
Smiling, brilliant point you made.
We all students were segregated in small groups and were sent to breakout rooms for fun activities accompanying with drinks, lunch and light snacks. All the students were instructed for a teamwork, like each group had to name their groups. There was a group discussion on social issues like inequality, gender bias and animal abuse.
बंदेया रे बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया रुक जा रे बंदेया ये रात जरा सी है बात समझ बंदेया ग्रुप 1 कुछ देर ही बाकी है रख यकीन आँखों से बादल
At the end, we concluded with solution to issues raised and then we ended the workshop. It was a wonderful learning experience. We enjoyed ourselves while getting pictures clicked in the campus, as it was raining and the campus was more beautiful and great than before. We came back with sweet memories.